Okay, does it work now? Oh, it is working now. Probably. Yep. Got stream working on YouTube as well. Amazing. Visibility public, playlists, live streams. Yeah, that's correct. Customization. And yep, it works. Good. This is good. Okay, let's go. Okay, now it works. So, stuff what I'm planning to do. Okay, let's switch. Maybe you will get blind from that white theme. Let's switch to the dark theme to feel a little bit more comfortable. So, what my plans are for today, I'm jumping quickly on the short morning development session. Let's kill regular Xcode, open beta version for Xcode. And I'm working on my habit tracking application on iOS 17 release. And on the last live stream, I already kind of started to work on it. I removed AdMob dependency, and I added my own kind of premium version banner. Where is my Xcode? Okay, here it is. This up. That looks fine, yes. Okay, let's build and run it quickly. iPhone 14 Pro, let's kill this one, let's go for... yeah. Hey Axel, hello, I'm doing great, thank you. I just need a little bit more coffee in the system. Let's add that. Build file and why? Habits. That looks correct. Okay, let's try to clean project and build again. I do not see any problems. Why should it do not work? And just in case, let's delete derived data as well. Our package dependencies are missed. Hey folks, but good morning. No Twitch anymore. I'm not saying no Twitch anymore, but you know, Twitch kind of owns you and saying that you are not allowed to do multi-streaming, so I don't. And so if I'm streaming on YouTube, I am not allowed to stream on Twitch, right? I don't want to be rebel each and every time when I'm jumping on stream, so I don't know, this time I started stream on YouTube and on Kik. Probably will plug in Twitch later, but yeah. Meanwhile, where is my Discord? Here it is. Okay, we got notifications. Nice. Notifications did work this time. Amazing. Yeah, I see. For some reason, YouTube bot decided that this time stream will be announced. That's cool. The difference is now I started stream from, not from OBS, but from Restream.io. I don't know if that is the difference. Hi Trio, hello. Build file and why? What's wrong with you? Script execution file with a non-zero execution. Not too much information actually. It was working. It was working a few days ago. Okay, which branch? In which branch am I? Mine. Okay, let's try App Store version. Yeah, maybe, but yeah, only difference was that usually I'm starting the stream from the OBS, and this time I streamed already from OBS to the Restream, and then I kind of clicked trigger to start the stream on the YouTube as well. Yeah, that's kind of strange. Okay, this one. Okay, this one currently is App Store release with all the add mob and all that stuff. That probably will build with regular Xcode. Okay, let's switch to the regular Xcode to see if I can build project still. I don't know, it's kind of strange. Okay. Habits. Okay, Hamudi, hello. Okay, let's try iOS 16.4. Will it build? Hey Land Rover, Twitch was broken the other day when you were live. Twitch is, it's hit or miss. It's kind of, it's quite often it's broken and ads are just not cool at all. Yeah, it's fine to have ads everywhere. Each and every platform have ads, you know, because I don't know, internet runs on ads. We have ads on YouTube as well. So, but you can skip them, or you can see small banner somewhere on the side, you know, stuff like that. It doesn't hurt too much, you know. Those ads on other platforms are fine. Ad in your face when you just open Twitch is horrible. So this build works, but I have another one where I removed all the packages for ads in the application. This banner, for example. Okay, this works. So why my main branch doesn't work? Okay, let's switch branches back. Okay, packages, we don't need packages. Okay, let's go back to the Xcode beta. Okay, packages are fetched, right? Alright. Project looks more or less here. Nice, kit, revenue cat. Kind of should work. Let's try to update packages just in case. What do we have here? Okay, packages updated. Let's try to build it one more time. We can try to build on device. Maybe that will help a little bit. Why? Phase script executions failed. Okay. Let's do the right thing. Let's Google errors. Xcode, which is that Xcode? Xcode 15, I guess. That would be fine if this project didn't build before. Hazy Play and League B, hello. Oh, that's something. No, let's go to the Stack Overflow. Yeah, something with pods. We don't use pods, but probably that's something about package dependencies. Let's see what I have in the scripts. Build phases. Ooh. No. Compiler sources. Okay. Widget extensions, that's right. Run scripts. Huh, Firebase Crashlytics. Okay, alright, I had that. Sure, we don't have Crashlytics here anymore. Let's comment it out for now. Because I'm not sure, maybe I will add Crashlytics back. Unlikely, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, now it works. Very interesting. Very interesting. Because when I just removed those packages, I basically was able to run it. That's very strange, but okay, whatever. Yeah, that was the problem. Here it was. Crashlytics startup script. Oh, I'm running on device now. Now we can run on simulator to show it on screen. Let's go for iPhone 14. No, not Plus. No one using iPhone 14 Plus. Just iPhone 14. Whew. Okay, at least that is clear. And yeah, it's definitely those who say that no one, kind of literally no one is using Kik. You were right. There's almost no people on Kik. That's absolutely true. But hey, to one viewer on Kik. It's also somewhere in between all the time zones, you know. Those early morning streams are kind of not great at all from that perspective, from time zone perspective. Okay, where it is? Where is my simulator? Give me my simulator. Oh, here it is. It is running already actually on another screen. This one is not needed. This one is needed. Okay. And habit. Let's say we will go with reading. Every day. Done. Okay. Yeah, here it is. That is what I implemented last time. Basically this banner. And now I would like to add, what was my thing? I would like to track those clicks in telemetry desk analytics. Okay, how can we add those signals? Oh, we already have 2% of the users on iOS 17. That's crazy, actually. Okay, we have a new session began signal here. Basically, what telemetry tech do, you can just start. You can just collect data about your application, but what is good about telemetry deck comparing with other similar tools, that is they are kind of friendly for users' data. That's a good thing. Okay, queries, and we need new signal. How do we do that? those are recent signals. That's clear. Where did I add those signals? That was set up for the app. That is already implemented. Test group. That was for reports. Okay, probably we need to take a look on documentation, right? Okay, here it is. Probably I need to do that on the app side. In the guide, setup guide. Setup guide, it's kind of clear that is already implemented, but let's see. Initialization, sending signals, here it is. Okay. Here it is. Telemetry manager send application did finish launching. So basically that should be probably it. Probably I don't need anything. Not much more is needed. Okay, probably I already have that default one. Initialization. We have here. And perhaps that is just started on. Okay, let's go to the banner button. Okay, here it is. Okay, destination is here. Okay, how can I trigger that link? Not link, but okay, let's first on appear you can add it. Something like have send? Should I import it? Maybe. Send and let's see if that will work. Test mode, probably then we will have. Then we will see signals from simulator as well, I hope. Okay, starting the app. Did I? Maybe. Oh, it's at breakpoint here. Okay, signal should be sent, probably. I do not see them here. No, here it is. Premium banner displayed. Oh, that kind of works. Cool. Cool stuff. Actually, let's check out what are plans and pricing. I probably I'm on free plan. I don't know. How much signals I have for free. Okay, that kind of works. How I can trigger it on the link, action on link click. Sure, I can just register event whenever I'm opening the premium offer view. But I'm kind of interested how many users will click on that banner. I don't really want button inside navigation link. Okay, there. It will not work like that. Okay, let's go back here. Move that over to the premium banner, premium view. Basically what I would like to see, I would like to see ratio between how many users see this banner and how many, not banner, but just premium offer, and how many of them are really kind of clicking on something. And here, good morning now, hello. Random question, tempted by the 15i? No, not really. I already kind of had this 16-inch MacBook Pro, so I don't know, 16-inch MacBook Pro, just right size, better screen, and more ports. I do not see kind of need to buy higher. It's kind of, I don't know, if I would like to buy MacBook now for someone in my family, I will probably get that 15-inch MacBook Air. But for myself, no, I don't really need it. I don't know, if my MacBook Pro went on fire and I need new machine ASAP, I don't know, maybe. But I didn't even compare how much lighter that 15-inch MacBook Pro is than MacBook Air is comparing with MacBook Pro. So, yeah, I don't know. Elaborate index. Sveiks, Janče. Good morning. Can I start developing iOS apps directly, or would it be helpful to have experience with Android app development or cross-platform development first? No. If your end goal is if your end goal is to run marathon, should you start with swimming? Kind of. It will not hurt you if you will have swimming experience, or any other kind of physical activities. But if you are into running, so start with train for running, Same about iOS. What's the point to learn Android first, or even worse, some cross-platform development libraries first? No, definitely go straight to your goal. Learn iOS development. Okay, if your premium offer displayed here and on purchase. Okay, and here we will register. Okay, let's try to run it. Premium offer displayed. Okay, here we have our event. Good. That is this event. Premium offer is displayed. If I will click this start 7 days trial. Okay, let's say I'm subscribing. You're all set. Now I am on premium version, and do we have event for that? Purchase event. Here it is. We have premium offer displayed and we have purchase event. Nice. Now I will be able to measure how often we are getting from offer display to the purchase event. And that is test data. Interesting. Still shows here even if I disable test data. Okay, whatever. And here I should be able to examples. Oh, interesting. Calculating the average number of views per purchase. That's exactly what I would like to do. That's exactly what I do. I'm sending signal when user opens purchase screen and when user making purchase. Nice. So that's what I need. Probably I need signal names without space. That will definitely work. Definitely work better. Upgrade. That will work as well. Basically I have signal name, premium offer displayed, but let's just copy paste, upgrade data view, did load. Then I will be able to copy paste all the code here. Hey Michael, I'm native iOS developer, but I love iOS development. Then you probably should start some side project, you know, for with iOS. Edit. Query type. Do I really copy paste all that code? Ah yeah, here it is, aggregation. Basically, seems that yes, we need this. Probably I need this stuff. Data source, filter. we need filter part, this one. Wait a minute. Oh, basically here it is, aggregations. Yeah, that stuff. Aggregations, filtered, selection type, purchase successful, yes. Okay, let's try copy paste this one. Copy paste coding. That could work, maybe. Syntax error. 14. Don't you like this one? Comma. One line space character. Yeah, but that's what they have in their example. And not only once. Okay, let's go back to what we had here. Oh, maybe we need that in the inside here. Will it work better? Oh, Costa Rica, nice. Hello. Never been there. Someday for sure I would like to be in there. Putting it all together. Here it is, finished query. Basically I need... Can you give me just finished query for now? This probably will work. Your saves have been saved. Oh, changes was saved. Nice. Yeah, I do not see, for example, here K after comma, but whatever. But seems that now that will work. Probably. Do we still have that syntax error? I'm not sure. Let's reload, save. Yeah, it kind of works probably. Can be displayed group by data as a line chart. Okay, let's try to run application again. Sweberg, greetings from Dubai. Oh, that should be horribly hot in Dubai right now, right? Is it? Probably. Okay, let's cancel my subscription now. Magically fix it by copy paste. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. How we don't have transactions here? I just purchased it on that device. Am I running? How do I run purchases now? Am I testing against Xcode or what? Yeah, I'm testing locally. Whew. Yeah, it's a Stack Overflow effect, exactly, yeah. That's how we can name it. Okay, I need more coffee. And let's test one more thing. Okay. Let's run application one more time. Yeah, for some reason I do not see simulators in this list. I expected to see in-app purchases for simulators here as well, but I don't. Here is my simulator. Is it somehow changed on Unix Code 15? I don't know. Device. Yeah, I don't see. Basically, those in-app purchases should appear here, and we don't have any transactions. Okay, let's see. Can we Google that? I do not see any kind of anything specific about Xcode 15 here. I kind of know how to test it. Was that Xcode 15? I guess so, yeah. Okay, let's try just to delete application and install again, and probably then in-app purchases will be lost as well. Okay, here we are, now we have it. Here we also can open the same screen. Nice. Where is my telemetry deck, whatever it is. Signals. Upgrade detail view did load twice. Okay, and will I see that in this report? Yes, no? I see at least something, up version and 0, okay. Average views per purchase. Telemetry deck is reporting analytic tools. basically you can see, yeah, I will say like Firebase, but Firebase is very heavy library, and they are kind of sending all the data to Google as well. Telemetry Tech basically is saying that they are user-friendly and user-friendly. They are not kind of spying on users. That's kind of a good thing. And oh, I need to put my phone on charge. Not phone, Apple Watch. Give me a sec. Hey, good morning, Fallen. So basically they are kind of keeping it anonymized, so data stays private, and then basically you can have very minimum kind of you have very nice looking privacy settings in the App Store, let's say so. Are you planning to develop some apps on the Vision Pro headset? Yes. Did not forget to take pills to remember stuff. Didn't do that yet because I have to eat breakfast first. And Telemetry Deck is from Germany, and Germany are they are very serious about data privacy and all that stuff, you know. Verstehen? Now here it is actually, Telemetry Desk versus Firebase. Basically they are GDPR kind of compliant already. I don't know, just take a look on the difference. It's kind of there are reasons why it is better, but on con side for Telemetry Deck I could say okay, good. On con side, what I can say, yeah, Telemetry Deck is not free to use, but if you are using Firebase Analytics, you are paying by your users' data. That's fact, you know. What are your ideas for apps for the headset? I don't have idea yet. Which applications aside from gaming and entertainment you do see it succeeding? I will start definitely first with apps, with my own apps. That's what I will do, and just will adopt them to be able to use in that virtual reality as well. This habit tracking application, unlikely you need it in that virtual reality. Okay, in a purchase was triggered. Application works fine. Let's refresh report. I do not see my data here. Recent signals. Okay, I don't have that signal yet. Purchase successful. That was before. How I named that signal, I already forgot. Purchase successful. Yeah, that looks right. And why I have nothing here? Hey John. Hello, good morning. Look at this, iOS 17. 56% as soon as I started to test it. What dashboard it is? This is telemetry deck. Analytics. In core data we knew how to write queries, trying to figure out how to do that in Swift data or whatever equivalent is. There was some limitations. Swift data don't have all the functions, all the functionality that is available in core data. Oh, here it is. Now I have number. Average views per purchase 4. So I have 4 views to get 1 purchase. Nice. Finally. Can we get some kind of chart or something for this data? Table works, of course. Chart. Will it work with the data type? Probably not. Line chart. Donut. Funnel chart. That should work, yeah. No, not really. Can't display group data as a pie chart. Just data will work, of course. Okay, that will work. So I can try to understand. From this, I will be able to understand how much times users should see banner before making purchase, and yeah, that can help with some insights. So basically, I can try to make this offer more appealing to kind of make this number kind of lower. Switch it from YouTube lo-fi to iOS lo-fi. I'm live on YouTube as well, by the way, now. Okay, so basically that is basic stuff which is implemented. There is no probably good reason to go deeper into this stuff for now, because I don't know, this application is far away from release in the App Store, but we need to update privacy policy, that's right. Basically this one that I have here, that is good enough to commit already. Here we don't need actually telemetry desk in the premium offer view. Oh no, cancel. Here we need it. And I already deleted in that banner view. Okay, then all good. Okay, all good. Script change it, right. Have this desk. How do I name themselves? Deck, telemetry deck. Okay, let's commit that. Push. Yeah. Just so on Twitter I removed AdMob. Yeah, there wasn't enough revenue. I will probably go in details in newsletter, or I will do video about that, we'll see. But yeah, short answer is yes, Cadence, there is no enough revenue. Okay. That is pushed. Oh, that's interesting. Sign in with iPhone. How that works? But that's cool. That's something really cool and new. Oh, that's passkey. Face ID, yes. Did it work? Huh. Cool stuff. I didn't know such thing exists. Cool. Okay, my apps. We are working on this one now. Okay, let's add agreement update. Really? Tried AdMob and got a whole penny. Yeah, I generated few euros from AdMob in that application, and that just doesn't make sense. Okay, I need to agree with new agreement. Later. App Store version number, that will be version 2. Great. And where is those? Privacy something. No. Privacy here. Okay. So we need only that usage data and device ID. That do not link it to you. But we have location. I don't need location anymore. Huh, how can I remove that? Hi, Agib. Hello. Here probably. Or here. Oh, no. Edit. Yes, we do collect data. Next. And here it is. Location. No. Oh. Yeah, we are doing that. Oh, and also I need to add purchases for revenue cards. Let's see. So, data types. We need, so basically product interactions, device ID, so device ID is connected, product interactions is used. Okay, that looks correct. Probably no. Identifiers, device ID, and product interactions. Yeah, that's correct. And we need also revenue cut. I think I will need something about purchases as well. Yeah, purchases. This one. Continue. Setup. And we need update this one. Analytics and app functionality. Analytics, app functionality, next. And we are not linking it to the user's identity. Oh, we are linking. Okay. Wait a minute. Can it be really? Yes. Is linked to user's identity. Oh, I'm using revenue cap anonymous. I'm not tracking users. No. So, no. Okay, that's it. That's it about privacy policy. It's also kind of interesting about all those privacy policies, because I don't know how often Apple really kind of checking who is tracking what. Because I don't know who I can click whatever checkboxes there are. And just, I don't know, because maybe I do not understand what I'm doing, or just because I am tracking all the crappy data but lying to users who verifies that, you know. Okay, that is updated. It's not important to update right now because I'm not releasing new app version yet, but I just don't want to forget that, to do that later. Okay, basically removing add mob task is kind of finished. What we will do next? Interactive widgets. Probably migration to Swift data, maybe, or StoreKit views. Oh, actually I have to start work on freelance project in about 20 minutes, so probably I will not start new task. Yeah, Kat, and I also kind of thinking who is kind of checking that you are not lying about the data. Because yeah, that could be just human mistake as well, you know. I'm not saying that should be, I don't know, for bad reasons, but maybe just human mistake. Who knows, yeah. Okay, probably we can also upload new build. Oh, will it allow me to archive it using simulator as a target? Interesting. That wasn't possible before. That's something new. Oh, interesting. Okay, whatever. But I didn't update build number, so forget that. Okay, build tool. Okay, now we can upload it for test flight. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, Caden, there are ways to improve that. I had implemented that there are multiple ways how to do that, but I used Fastline. Fastline, it is one of the ways how to do that. So it was Fastline. Yeah, Beatrice also will do that for you. Here it is, Fastline. This one. Basically, you can do automated screenshots, you can do deployment to the App Store, you can do all that stuff. Basically, you can set that process when you're just monitoring your kind of branch, and when you're committing in specific branch, then you can trigger actions from that. Also kind of creates screenshots, all that stuff. It's kind of question, does it make sense for one person team to do that? I use it Fastline for my freediving application. And mostly I use it to generate screenshots. Here I have Fastline snapshots. Basically you have to create automated user test and then go through the application and make screenshots of those, basically of the application. But you can do plenty of things with that. You can upload build to the App Store, you can even populate metadata with it. Metadata, I mean kind of description, what's new in the version and all that stuff. But when Apple update App Store, it kind of broking time to time. That's one thing. Also, I had problems with code signing because I have multiple iOS accounts, iOS dev accounts, all that stuff, you know. So I didn't stick with that. And also when I was working on indie apps not so regularly, that also didn't make much sense to spend all that time to support that integration to release update, I don't know, once in a while, you know. Hey Paul, hello. I'm doing great, thank you. Hope you are good as well. But yeah, also of course there is Xcode Cloud. Technically I have built 2 or 3 times. Oh my gosh. In Unity then Xcode then another for distribution. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, I don't know if Xcode Cloud will work for you, probably no. But yeah, that's another kind of option. Because build archive. I started to somehow Xcode Cloud, I kind of click it, throws all the next things, but it didn't kind of build for me, and I didn't even try to fix that because I do not see kind of good reason to pay for service to build somewhere in the cloud, because locally it's not big deal, you know, to build it locally from my point of view. Okay, did I upload it? Uploaded, yes, I uploaded it. Okay. App Store Connect, test flight. Oh, also that complaints management, that can be done in plist file probably, I should do that. Okay, ready to submit. And okay, and let's oh, do I need to review it? Let's see. I guess probably I don't need to submit it for review. Give me a check. Oh, it is approved already. Nice. So yeah, version 2 is available. So we probably will delete this one from tests, and I will leave that just build 2. Nice. Right, Cloud today it says you have to host your repo on Git. Yes, it is so. Yeah. Yeah, I assumed that, yeah, if you are building for Unity, so probably that will not work great for you. Hey Jarek, I'd like to start learning Swift. What courses or books do you prefer for beginners? You are coming from YouTube. On YouTube, I guess that in my... I'm not sure if in my stream description I have it. Show more. Oh, actually, here it is in description. This is my favorite video course, and also those books from Big Mountain Studio. If you're looking for something for free, I will go hacking with Swift, and there is 100 days of Swift UI challenge. Just take that 100 days of Swift UI, and there is basically day 0, 1, 2, 3. Basically you're starting with introduction to Swift, and then you are starting to kind of work on projects with working on Swift UI. So yeah, go for that. Okay, App Store Connect, let's enable public link, enable. to set limit. Let's say 100 testers will be enough. And I will post that link in Discord. Okay, that will be in the Discord for those who want to test it. Actually, Discord link. That's Discord, just in case. Okay, we need actually to change that in the app development kind of section here and move things a little bit around. I think I need to kind of separate, because we have indie development and desk setups and keyboard all in one place. I guess we need to separate indie development into their own separate niche. We'll see. But that's for later. Anyways. Tomorrow I'm going to work from cabin on seaside, so that doesn't make big difference, because we have midsummer stuff, you know. In midsummer usually we are moving. In midsummer usually we are moving to the seaside, and yeah, I will work from seaside, and I will probably not have much time to spend in Discord and all that stuff, but yeah, later, probably, yeah, later. Okay. It's about time to switch from this so-named coworking mode, probably, when I'm kind of working on my own stuff, because I have to wrap up with working on indie apps now. Yeah, because it's starting, time comes to work on freelance stuff. And that means that it is about time to end stream on YouTube, right? Okay, so I'm killing stream on YouTube for those who are chilling out on Kick. We will keep going. Actually, Kick and Twitch, right? But that will be just co-working stream, you know, without sharing code, without doing anything, and I will be around for about 1 more or 2 hours just before meetings will kick in. What time it is in my country? Currently it is 9 at the morning. Are you morning or night person? Well, I will say that I feel, and I was thinking that I am kind of night person, but I just kind of changed my mind and become kind of morning person, because let me explain. When I was working as a product manager, so back in those days I was basically working on my day job, and I wanted to switch to the programming, building my own apps, freelancing, all that stuff. So I started to spend time on evenings or at nights, basically I was kind of thinking, okay, I'm kind of night person, I will kind of I will work at nights on my indie projects. But when you're coming back from work after 8 hours of work, then you are kind of spending some time with kids, family, all that stuff, and after that you basically have zero energy to do something for real. And that working at nights was more like procrastination, I would say. So then I understood that that just doesn't work. And I started to wake up earlier for 1 hour on the mornings to work, to learn programming and start kind of freelancing, all that stuff. And I found that this actually works, because if you decide to work for 1 hour in the afternoon, usually, I don't know, you are kind of sitting in front of computer and found yourself, I don't know, procrastinating a little bit, and then you, I don't know, maybe watch some YouTube, maybe you do something, and then you're already tired and go to sleep. Yeah, sure, I had good days as well, but often I just didn't have energy, and I kind of was thinking, okay, I'm too tired today, I will do that tomorrow. So evenings and nights just didn't work well. When I switched to mornings, if I have to wake up at, I don't know, at let's say 6, I was waking up at about 6 to have my daughter in the children garden at 7. So then I started to wake up basically at 5. And if you're up at 5 o'clock, and likely you will, I don't know, just scroll Twitter or watch YouTube videos. If you are up at 5, so probably you will go and work whatever you planned to do. So that's what I did, I started to wake up earlier. That 1 hour was very productive. I found that works really great. Then I started to wake up 2 hours earlier at 4, and later even at 3:30. So I had 2.5 hours before my work to learn programming, start freelancing, all that stuff. And that was working really, really great, actually. And another side effect what I found, that when I started to wake up early, I started to wake up early on the weekends as well. And basically, if you stick with the same routine, if you are waking up at the same time and going to bed at the same time, then it becomes easy to wake up early. Because problems before was, on the weekdays, Monday, probably I was still on high energy. I was able to do something at night. On Tuesday, Wednesday, I was already kind of slacking, maybe skipping days. And then, on Friday and Saturday night, I was going, okay, I have almost all night, let's go in, do stuff, And then basically I didn't sleep well at that night. On the next morning, maybe I slept in, and basically my sleeping schedule was completely kind of destroyed. When I started to wake up every day at the same time, that becomes kind of easy, and then basically that was the click moment when I managed really to learn programming, switch careers, start freelancing, do all that stuff. That was working for me. Will that work for you? I don't know, but I highly suggest you to try. And for sure, do not make jump from, I don't know if you are waking up at 8 to be a job at 9, do not jump to 5 a.m. alarm. You will feel like train wreck, Start just move this alarm for about 30 minutes earlier, do that slowly, and you will be fine. Where are you from? I'm from Latvia, Letony. That's crazy. It's not so crazy. Actually, I have a YouTube video about that. Let me see. Here it is. Oh, it's 2 years old video, but if you are interested, take a look on that video. You can watch it. But you already you just got short version of it, you know. When you first wake up is the best time to work. Yeah, exactly. How do you feel about working freelance versus working for a company? I don't know. Both are fine because currently I'm working as consultant but for company, and that difference nowadays is kind of, I don't know. If you're working as a remote developer for company, that's not so different anymore comparing with freelance, especially if you're working on long form contract. I'm currently on the consultant contract for company, and I'm working for that company for more than a year already. So who am I? Am I freelancer or am I working for company? But yeah, I think that's more like from day-to-day work perspective, that's about the same. Mindset is a little bit different. How many hours did you programming freelancing after your work hours? If you're asking about when I started, when I was product manager in my day job, those were about 2.5 hours, something like that in a day. Do you currently work on one project or you have a couple projects at one time? Currently I'm working on one project because I'm running my YouTube, I'm running my indie apps, all that stuff. So multiple projects, but not multiple freelance projects. I have one freelance project which takes full-time hours, and then I also kind of running my own apps and my content creation stuff, all of that, you know, that takes time. But when I started freelancing, I had multiple projects at the time. Maximum projects that I had was 3, and that was already kind of a little bit tricky to balance. I also work as a freelancer with long-term contracts and also 40 hours. So, I mean, that's the same, yeah. Maybe the difference is that you work whenever you want, like Saturday, Sunday morning. In my case, I mean, it is even kind of more similar to full-time job because I have some kind of virtual working hours. It's not kind of strict hours when you should be logged in Slack or what else not, but generally you're kind of logging in, you're saying good morning, and when you're logging out, you're saying bye, and all the team works in about the same time. There is, I don't know, about 2-3 hours kind of difference in between different team members, where one starting work, another kind of ending, but generally it's more or less the same, you know. Oh, Hamidi, getting back to programming, it really motivates you. Nice to hear you. Nice to hear that. Great. Okay, yeah, and now it is time to start work on my freelance project, so I'm killing the stream. It was nice to have chat with you. It was really cool and interesting to work together with you, and yeah, thank you and see you.